Yeah. Young and older, known to throw boulders, large brain on his neck and shoulders, big body pimpin' way colder, harsh life, always been a soldier, fuck with a bitch, her titties perk up like Folgers, I got in the game, I just wanna do my numbers and no slobs, I be 24/7 watching everything go up, so fuck what a nigga think if he talking about hold up, nigga I done took all my lumps and still didn't fold up, can't stop until I got the game in the cold crush, you gon' speak my name for 1,000 years how that boy got his dough up, hazy addict, but stay away from niggas that get they po up. Little mind niggas that refuse to grow up. No homo, but these niggas is so what? Cold heart, my mind got a bold touch. Shot her in this shit. The game, the game I for show brush. I grind till you got more stuff. Yeah, that's 23. 16 for the 31 series. Installment 23. Holla at your boy.